Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are given this problem sum of 3 pieces of rope 120, 180, 240 cm, and she wants to cut these 3 pieces of rope into equal length with no remainders. What is the greatest possible length of each side? So you see that there's equal and there's greatest is the highest common factor question. So for this particular question, and after that, we are also required to find how many of these smaller pieces of rope of equal length can she get. So in this case, I would actually tap on my successive division method. And I'm going to divide by the smallest prime number first. 2, that will give me 60, 90, 120. I still can divide the all by 2. That will give me 30, 45, and 60. I move on to the next prime factor for these 3 numbers, and that will be 3. 3 is no longer the common factor, and the next common factor that is a prime number for these numbers will be 5. And 2, 3, and 4, there's no more common factors among them, and we stop here. So the greatest possible length we look at here. So the greatest possible length in this case will be 2 times 3, 2 times 2 times 3 times 5, sorry, and that will give me 60 cm. And if you look carefully, right, this successive division method, when I divide by 60, for 120 I get 2, 180 I get 3, 240 I get 4. Meaning that for part B, I can simply read off the values from this set of working, and the number of ropes would then be 2 plus 3 plus 4, 9. We have come to the end of this video, so if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.